A school is able to send 5 representatives to an international conference. 5 boys and 8 girls nominate to attend. Find the probability that at least 2 boys are selected to go to the conference. So because we want the probability that at least 2 boys are selected, we're looking for the probability that x is greater than or equal to 2. And to do that, we can separate it into several cases. So the first case we're going to consider is that 2 boys go. So if exactly 2 boys go, we can calculate this as 5 boys and we're going to select 2 of them, and then we have the 8 girls and we're going to select 3 of them to give 5 people going in total. And there is 560 ways that can be done. The next we're going to consider is that we select 3 boys. So to do this, we're going to have our 5 boys and we're going to select 3 of them and times it by the 8 girls and we're going to select 2 of them. And in total there are 280 ways that we can do that selection. Next we're going to select 4 boys. So to select 4 boys, we're going to have our 5 boys and we're going to select 4 of them, and then we're going to have our 8 girls and we're going to select 1 of them. And there is 40 ways of doing that. And lastly, we're going to select 5 boys to go to the conference. So to do that, we can have our 5 boys and we can choose all 5 of them, and that means we're going to select 0 girls, and in total there is 1 way of doing that selection. So if we add all of those up, we can find that the total number of ways of selecting at least 2 boys is 560 plus 280 plus 40 plus 1, which is 881 ways. And then we're going to need to divide that by the number of ways we can select 5 people from the entire total. So 5 boys and 8 girls. If there are no restrictions, we can select the group of students as 13 students and select 5 of them, which in total is equal to 1,287. So going back up to our probability calculation, we put that number on the bottom line as the total number of outcomes in the sample space. And that fraction cannot be simplified, so there is an 881 in 1,287 chance that we will select 2 boys or more for the conference. And for your interest only, that's approximately 0.685 correct to 3 decimal places.